Hey guys, so we're here, ready for Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween, but we are at the Residence Inn at Flamingo Crossing. That is over here with everything that is new, where we've stayed before with all of the other hotels.
And we've never done this one.
Yeah, and it looks very like Grand Floridian-ish.
Yeah, from the outside, it's really cool.
It's very pretty, so let's show you the inside.
All right.
Am I good?
You're good.
All right, so this is what we walked into. This is amazing. A small little kitchenette with like 2 burners, a little dishwasher, a microwave, full fridge with freezer. It's so nice.
I love it. You've even got little
bar
stools here that go out into a living room.
Yeah. Nice little couch. Let's see.
Is it a bed?
Let's see. It is not.
No. So.
But I mean, it depends on how. Just kidding.
Yeah. Well, we'll show. We did book a king room,
okay.
So I don't know if there's difference in like the other rooms.
Okay. But yeah, I mean, this is really cool. It looks
workspace.
Like you can probably move the TV. So
see, I love that idea because you can swivel it either way.
Well,
yeah, I have a bag there, but you can swivel it all the way if you want, pretty much. So you can still watch it from bed. There's
super cool. This is the bed.
Yeah, there's our king bed. Let me see outside real quick what we're looking at here. But you can see the buildings, which kind of has that Grand Flow feel of the roof and everything. And then they've got a good pool area. There'll be free breakfast in the morning too.
Which is super exciting.
I wonder how many square feet this actually is.
I don't know, because then you have this nice large walk-in, but
you could walk in there.
I could walk in there. And then
this is crazy.
Have some more space, storage. I don't know what.
Like we'll put our suitcase right there.
Yeah. And then the bathroom.
Check my makeup right here.
Large, where
this is a huge bathroom.
And this is like this is cool because this doesn't shut. So you just shower, and because it's, I guess look, and it's on this side.
That's smart. I will get this floor wet, I guarantee.
Okay.
And if I get tired, I can sit down and take a break.
We'll just put this back down here.
There we go.
And then I think this is gorgeous.
This is. I wasn't gonna take a shower before because I took one this morning. I'm gonna take one now. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. The only downfall is it's all in one, unfortunately.
Yeah, you don't have separate
which you don't have like
water
if I had to
closets.
go to the bathroom, right? But I mean, it's fine. It's fine.
I like it.
I do too.
And Amy with MEI-Travel, our wonderful advisor, can book these over at Flamingo Crossing. There's a Home 2, there's a Homewood Suites, there's a Town Place Suites, Spring Hill Suites, as well as a Fairfield Inn. We've stayed at all of those. Off top of your head, Rhonda, which one do you like the best?
Oh, really? Already this one? And we haven't even
This room already is one of my favorites here.
Yeah.
Most all of these, 100%. Most all of these have kitchenettes of some sort, and usually free breakfast. They can sleep larger groups. Only downfall here that we used to pump up so much is all these places have started charging parking. For example, here it's 20 bucks a night plus tax. But you can get these rooms often for like 150 bucks or less.
Yeah.
So you're still coming out under 50, what just say an all-star.
So then you just do 170. It's
Yeah. And we're driving to Magic Kingdom for the party tonight.
We are.
So
I checked I can fit in my truck.
Yeah, so we're not even worried about buses or anything, and staying on property. No. So hope you enjoyed it. Come stay here.
Yes.